Tucked in the back of this quiet community in one of Suntree's premier neighborhoods, you're gonna love this updated and upgraded pool home with an amazing space for outdoor living. With that kitchen and this incredible outdoor living space, this home delivers the style, luxury, and functionality you are looking for. I'm Joe Friedman with the Carpenter Castle Home Selling Team. Give me a call and let's set up a private tour today.